What's going on, everyone? All right, today we are going to check out the 2021 Kent Bayside Cruiser. 7-speed, freewheel, rear wheel, no coaster brakes. This bad fella has caliper brakes, both front and rear, under which I have the double lever gear selector for your 7 speeds. The changes I have noticed they have made to this bike, they've beefed it up a little bit. A little bigger frame, bigger tube, changed the angle of the V on us a little bit, and also the top tube is a lot fatter and beefier, which is never a bad thing. Take all the extra strength I can get wherever I can get it. So anyway, let's take this for a little ride and see how it does. Okay, we're ready to go. Fuel's on. Carburetor should be warmed up just a little bit. I had to ride it up here. I was not pedaling the hill. Not too bad. Rides nice and smooth. Engine's running perfect. Perfect as a 2-cycle motorized bicycle can get. Stopping was just fine with the dual brake levers. As you can tell, I didn't get out there and hot rod. I am in a public park, so I didn't want to offend anybody. Just let everybody take a gander at the new style Bayside. Bayside Cruiser seems to be working like it ought to. I'll have to give it a thumbs up. Like I said, the frame's a little beefier, so we had to do a little something different on the motor mount. No big deal there. The dual brakes seem to work just fine with its dual brake lever. If you've done one of these bikes in the past yourself and are watching the video, it is a little different on the old frame configuration down there. I don't know if they changed the angle of the V-frame or if it did just a little bit enough to put bigger tubes for the frame. But other than that, it is a quality unit. Alright, thanks for watching. Just thought I'd share the 2021 because they are popping out there periodically. This is one of them. Then you can make your decision on your own for yourself.